in this video we are going to look at the new sky replacement function in Photoshop version 22 or Photoshop 2021, depending on which name you look at. So this new function, as you can see here, we're in Lightroom. The reason I've started in Lightroom is the majority of property photographers start out in Lightroom and then they move to Photoshop to sort out the skies afterwards. So here we just right click on the photo. I'm in develop mode, so at the top here, develop mode, then come in here and choose edit in. I'm going to choose edit in Adobe Photoshop 2021. So I've already got that open, so I'm just going to click straight across to it. And here's the photo of the property. And then all we do is we go up to edit at the top here and we choose sky replacement. So here it's automatically chosen a sky, and we'll have a look at that drop down in a second once it's finished loading. So we'll just let that load. And as you can see here, there's other functions and features. I'm going to talk about one of these today. But as we can see here, this sky has been replaced and it's done quite a good job actually. So that's quite nice. But let's have a quick look at the other skies. And these are not my skies. These are ones that have just come with the software. So you can see lots of different skies. So, so if you want something a bit more dramatic, you can say choose that one there. And we'll apply that sky. And then just move that down so you can see. So it has quite an effect there. However, for the majority of property shots, most people want fluffy white clouds on a blue sky. So let's choose fluffy white clouds on a blue sky, like that there. Brilliant. And as we can see, that has done quite a nice job actually. It's not too bad, and we can see how quick that was. Literally, I just came into edit, sky replacement, and if you've already used this one, it will default to that one, and you then just click OK. One thing I do want to show you here is shifting the edges. So if, for example, you don't get a very good edge around the edge of the property, so sort of around there, let me just do the extreme so you can see what happens with this. So as you can see, it's pulled the sky so it now overlaps the property, so it looks a bit weird. Okay, and if we go back the other way, you lose it completely. You've just lost the sky quite a lot. And if I go somewhere in the middle, there. So what I do is, to be honest, I normally keep that 0. But if you do get overlapping issues on the edges, you know how you can change that now. So, and we're going to output that to a new layer there. So that's it. And then once you've finished doing your editing and you're happy with it, you just flatten the image like you normally would at the end, and then you're done. So that is the sky replacement function in version 22 of Photoshop 2021. Hope you find that useful. That's the end of this video.